So that was crazy. So I'm flipping this jig around the bridge pilings right here. I was done and was swimming it out. And he hit it. Little black and blue finesse jig. I tell you, he hit it on the way out. I seen him come up and get it. That's funny. I don't have my chest camera going, so I wasn't expecting that thing. Hey, what about got me with that jig there, buddy? Alright, gang, that's 2 on the jig. One of my friends, Steven, told me he used the jig over here and caught a 5.9 a couple days ago. So that's 2 on the jig. But evidently there's a pile of something right here. I didn't think I would get that fish out of it, but yeah, I ain't even turned on my chest thing yet, man. I'm gonna calm down. I'm gonna put on my chest thing. So they're getting bigger. On Lake Brandt. I'm just going to throw that out there. I'm on Lake Brandt. It's a beautiful morning. Good Friday. Happy Easter, everybody. And so I went up and down this bridge with a couple different color crankbaits. Ain't caught anything. So maybe the jig's going to be the thing today. Alright, so I figured I'd continue with the blue pattern, and so I switched to this little underspin, and I put a blue, I don't even know the name of it, blue on top, silver on the bottom, little raised swimmer. That seems to be the, I'm catching the buck bass. I ain't caught the girls yet. I'm looking for the little raised swimmer. That seems to be the, I'm catching the buck bass. I ain't caught the girls yet. I'm looking for the girls, but I'm catching the buck bass. Finally got one on a crankbait. Watch me lose it. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. I used the net, he ain't very big. I seen he was barely hooked. Yeah. He wasn't, it's number 4, not big. He was barely hooked. That's the reason why I got the net. I knew it wasn't big. Number 4 on a crankbait. Number 4 on a crankbait.
Hey there. Is there much fish out here?
Oh yeah, there's a big one.
Yeah. What is there right here, sir?
Sorry?
What is there? What kind of fish?
They got the bass, crappie, and catfish.
Okay, it's catfish? Alright. Well, good luck.
Yeah, thanks, buddy. Smallest of the day on a worm. I don't know, I think I did catch one a little smaller now. The same spot I caught that bass off that jig this morning. Smallest of the day on a worm. I don't know. I think I did catch one a little smaller than that one. The same spot I caught that bass off that jig this morning.